Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to change the language of your Ecwid store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ecwid website right here at ecwid.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here in the upper right corner. You can get started logging into your accounts if you've not already. Go ahead and create an account, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here at the left side of the screen. You can find all the sections you can access, such as dashboard, sales, catalog, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started changing our language. What we're looking for guys is right here at the left side screen. You want to find the settings tab. After putting your mouse on settings, going to open up this new drop down menu with all the settings for your store. You want to open up the general settings right here, which is the first option. This is now going to go ahead and open up this new menu where at the top of the screen you can take a look at all the tabs, and you want to open up regional settings. So after opening up regional settings guys, as you can see, this is now going to go ahead and open up all your regional settings, where in the upper right corner guys you can find the store language. So basically here you can go ahead and click on language settings, and after clicking on language settings guys, you can go ahead and manage your store language and add more languages to your store if you wish. So from here you can manage everything, save it, and then your store is going to be in that new language, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.